AC to pure resistance. So this is the circuit, and according to Ohm's law, V is equals to IR. So I is equals to V by R. This is instantaneous, so V is equals to Vm sin omega t. That's why I is equals to Vm by R sin omega t. Now we can write Vm by R is equals to Im. So the equation becomes I is equals to Im sin omega t. Now impedance, as it is pure resistance, so impedance is Z is equals to R. Now power is equals to instantaneous voltage into instantaneous current. So the formula of instantaneous voltage is Vm sin omega t, and of current is Im sin omega t. Now if we multiply this both, we get Vm Im sin square omega t. Formula of sin square omega t is 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. So now it becomes Vm Im 1 minus cos 2 omega t by 2. Now after multiplying this, we get Vm Im by 2 minus Vm Im by 2 cos 2 omega t. For P average, that is average of power, we need to integrate this both quantity, and after integrating the alternating quantity, which is this Vm Im by 2 cos 2 omega t, we get 0. So the final answer will be P average is equals to Vm Im by 2.